I'm Thomas Schermerhorn, and you're watching another drawing, illustrations, and art video. In this video, I'll talk about perspective, but first I want to tell you about the drawing in the background. It's a thumbnail drawing for my Man vs. Giant series, and this is how far I've gotten. Perspective is how we see things. It's our view of the world or an object. The key important parts of perspective are the horizon line, the vanishing point, the foreground, the midground, and the background, and also foreshortening. The horizon line runs across the page. It divides the background from the midground, and it's where our vanishing point rests in most situations. The vanishing point is where the eye rests or leaves the page. I say this because most of the time the vanishing point may not be on the page. The background is where the horizon line divides or separates the image. It's the farthest point of the image, so on and so forth. It's farthest from us, is what I'm trying to say here. The midground is the middle ground. It's most likely where I will place a figure, but also that can depend on what I'm doing. The foreground is the closest part of the image, and so forth, and then that brings us to foreshortening. Foreshortening is when something is closer to you or farther away from you. Bigger objects will seem closer and smaller objects will seem further away, unless they're overlapping, because bigger and smaller objects can overlap one another. In the comment section below, tell me what you thought about this. I think I covered all the important parts of perspective, but there's also a lot more. I didn't really cover 1.2.3 point perspective, and there's like a lot of other different types of perspective, but I think that I covered all the important parts of it. But let me know in the description below what you thought about this video, and let me know if you're working on any projects. See you in the next one.